Hey guys, this is Rich Pickle 3000 and today we're back with some Ripoff City and today so our search term is going to be Plants versus Zombies. So here is the real thing. Now time for more results. This is where it gets weird. Okay. Plants vs. Zombies drawing stuff. It's a lot of just... Yeah, Plants vs. Goblins. You know what? Okay, one sec. Okay, so we're going to change it up. So we're going to download that. And then we're gonna see if we can find 6 games. Birds vs. Zombies 2. Oh my god. Okay, fine then. Okay. Birds vs. Zombies. Defend Spanish Empire. PvZ. Yeah, no. This one is just versus Zombies 3. Shooter versus Zombie. You know, you just gotta find out. Okay, what's this? Angry Plants Flower. Angry Plant. You know what? Okay, 4 so far, I think. A Flower Zombie War. So 5. And what should the last one be? Zombies versus Soldier. Oh, let's do it. No. I guess I had to. So let's play the games. Okay, we got all the games. I got Flower Zombie War twice, so that doesn't matter. Let's play BVZ. Birds versus Zombie. Just one single zombie comes. Oh. Oh my god, story. Look at that face from the zombie. Oh my god, is this not gonna load? Okay, level 1. Okay. I can't upgrade it. Why is this an act? What? I'm swiping. Hey, boy, I'm swiping. Okay, there we go. Very interesting. Go. Go forward. Go forward. Go, what the heck? Go no, go forward. What the heck? Go forward. Why do they pop? Just go forward. Attack them. Why aren't you attacking them? You're not. Why are you not attacking them? Yeah, no. Wait, hold on. Why is the fire still going on? Hopefully they'll stop. Yeah. Okay, I had to legit close it. What the? I had to close the tab. Angry Plants Flow. Let's play some Angry Plants Flow. What the heck? Why does it keep on crashing? Oh. Yeah, yeah, maybe not. Zombie blast. Loading, please wait. Oh. Boom. Zombie blast. I don't. No, don't connect to Google. Okay.
Kiki, do you love me? Jimmy,
No.
who's Kiki?
That. Hold on. What the? Oh my. Why does he make? Why does he make dog noises? I am pro at this game. I'll just. Ah, crap! What the? Oh my god, this is loud. I'm gonna turn this down. Yep, totally. Totally. Why the heck does he make freaking dog noises? Why does he... First, why does he make dog noises? Speedrun. So why is there lava? I don't think this is post a god dang it. Post a god dang apocalypse. No, oh, what the? Okay. Can I shoot? Yep, I can shoot. I'll just push those. Hey, you just landed on my head. Oh, wait. I would have probably been screwed there if I went too far. Again, it has, I mean, I didn't even say that. It has noises from PvZ, so it's technical. Why is this so I mean, oh my god, why the heck is... God dang it. Like, what even is that dog? Goodbye, little doggy girl. Ah! Okay, come on, I can make this jump. This is intense. Why the heck do I keep on doing that? Okay, one last try. I guess you don't want one last try. Zombie, yeah, let's just move on. Okay. Oh man, Plants vs. Goblins 2. Plants vs. Goblins 2. Oh no. Load. Let's do some classic. Swords coming out of a goblin. Yeah, maybe not. What the? I feel like they're trying very hard to rip off. I mean, this is identical to PvZ. Okay, collect more. Okay. Yay. I got 2 more of my... whatever they are. Don't let them pass through the gate behind. There's even a lawnmower for human life. What is that noise? gameplay. Man, those are some saggy nips. Like, just look at them. I can already feel the demonetization. Use Holy Leaf to take out the Holy Leaf. It's the same exact power up. Can I just... Okay. Oh, we're using Holy Leaf again. But, okay, I can't level him up. I like how this game is actually unique. No, it's not. I can't even, like... Is it just infinite? Just hurry up, please. I can't see too many saggy nips in my life. Okay, we go. Oh, dang. Starflower. Oh my god. Okay, next one. Next level. Okay, I really don't want to watch these ads. Should have put it on airplane mode. Hey, who cares? Come on, produce star person. Oh my god. Okay, stop producing star person. Jeez. Star person, produce more star. Just go here. You upgrade him. Wait, what happens when I upgrade one of these guys? Oh, twin sunflower. I mean, twin star flower. It even has the same sound effects. Like, it said zombie. Zombie, except. Oh, it shoots 3. Okay. Oh my. I don't care, shop guy. Yeah, I don't care, shop guy. I don't care. Oh. I'll just. Please hurry up. Oh my god. After I finish this, I don't even think I'm gonna finish this. Okay. As we move on through the forest to Flower Zombie War. Flower Zombie War. Game for fun. Whole quad day chant. That wasn't in the title. Quadin. What? I thought it was whole quad day chant. Oh, this is from China. Wait, hold on. Does this look the same? Is this the exact same thing? It's looking a lot like the other one. Like, same everything. Oh, are you kidding me? This is the exact same thing as the other one. Why is there... Okay. This is the exact same thing. Oh my god, this is... I'm so disappointed. Even though I don't know what I was doing. It's the exact same thing. Well, I don't need to play the exact same game again. Oh my god, there was a ripoff of a ripoff. how deep are they gonna get? Oh, my name is 678. Yeah, 678 will rise. So let's play zombie versus soldier. I'll just start with the pistol. Oh, this is a die. Why won't you die? Die. I will tap you to death. Even though you are death. Okay, yeah, this is just shoot zombie game. Okay, you gotta shoot faster. Why is there two inside of each other? Oh no. This is bad, guys. Oh my god, we're gonna die in zombie war. They keep on coming up here. Come on, I got it. Oh my god. Yeah, you know what? Screw it. Yeah. Oh, I have a lot of health. Well, I'm just gonna let them take it. That was the last game, but we need to get one more because that one of them was just a. Okay, what are we gonna do? Let's do some challenges. Yeah, no. What should we do? Plants versus pulp. No. We'll do some fruit versus zombie. I don't want you looking at my stuff. But who cares? Because I'm gonna delete this right after. Okay. That's video. Let's do some story. Oh my god. First ad. What the? Oh, it's actually. Wait, what the heck? Wait. What the? What the? Purple there. Oh, it's one of these. Oh, it's one of, yeah, it's one of these. Oh, jeez, this is hard. Oh, dang, this is dang. Wait, bullets, I can just shoot him. Why are they so chubby looking? Okay. Green zombie, red zombie. Very red zombie. Red. Yeah, this is just a puzzle game. I mean, I didn't know what I was gonna expect from Pants versus Homerson. Pants versus Homerson. Oh, wow. Imagine that was being an actual game. You know, just shoot wherever you want to shoot. You said shoot there. What the? Oh, jeez, it's getting laggy. You better put more in. Oh my god, did I accidentally? I'm just gonna extend their view. Get to me. Yay! Holy moly. Oh, whoop. After this ad. Oh, man, have we earned a lot. I want to try this again, though. This time, will it work? Oh, okay, Angry Plants. Oh, is this... Is this another exact copy? Yeah, you know, yep. Okay. So what have we learned today, kids? We've learned birds versus zombies, Angry Birds Flow, Zombie Blast, Plants versus Goblins 2, Flower Zombie War 2, Zombie and Soldier, and Fruit versus Zombies. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.